Welcome back to Billionaires Visions. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly making a video related to free web hosting, free domain, free subdomain name, AdSense problem, and many other topics. In today's video, I am going to teach you how you can start your free online store without paying for domain and hosting. If you are thinking to start an online store and you don't have any cost to purchase domain or hosting, then this video is going to be very special for you. So do not skip any part of this video, as I am going to introduce you with a website from where you can start your online business or online store without paying single cost, and you will get tons of facility for your online store. First of all, open an internet browser and search free web store on Google. You will find this website freewebstore.com. Open this website, or alternatively you can directly visit to this website freewebstore.com. This is an e-commerce website. With free web store, you will have all the tools needed to run an online e-commerce website. Their simple and powerful e-commerce solution allows users of all the ability to operate a successful online store for absolutely free. If you don't have any knowledge about how to run free online store, then this website is suitable for you. And the best part of this website is you don't need to purchase their paid packages in the starting, and you don't need to attach your debit or credit card. Now you can scroll its homepage and learn more about this website. I am going to quickly create a free account. For this, click on this Get Your Free Store. You will get an option to sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google, or you can manually enter your name, email and create a password. Now you can write your name here, and here give your active email address. Now click on this Create Free Web Store Account. Now a verification code has been sent to your email address. Open your Gmail box and you will get this mail from Free Web Store. If you can't find this mail directly on your Gmail box, then you have to check your spam folder. Now open this mail and copy this code. Now just paste it here. It's verifying your account. Please allow a few minutes. Our mail has been successfully verified and we log into the dashboard. Now you will see AI chatbot will be assist you. Follow some instructions that are given by this AI chatbot. It will automatically recognize your country and location. Now give your DOB. Click on confirm. Now our dashboard is loading for us. Our store has been already created. It will offer you some of the paid packages, but you don't have to go through this. In the left corner, you will see menu. Here, you just have to go to this design section. Then you will find a template where your URL has been already included, and you will get other setting too. Click on this URL. Here you will get a URL of your store. Just copy this URL and click on this Go to your URL, or also you can copy this and paste it on new tab. Here is our store's first look. We can easily customize this store. Now I will teach you how you can customize this store for you. Here you will get the option to change your store URL. Click on this. If you had already a domain name, then you can connect it with, but you will also get this subdomain. Click on this Rename Your Free URL and you will get lots of options here. You can choose one of your favorite. I'm going to choose this billionaires.myonline.store. click on this confirm to change. Now close this. Now click on this design and click on theme editor. From this theme editor, you can get option to customize your website. Now you can click wherever you want to edit. I just click on this. Here you will get option to insert your logo. Click on this change. Click on this again and upload your logo from your device. If you don't have any logo, then you can easily create this from Canva. And also if you don't have free Canva account, then you will get free Canva account from this video. You can check this Canva Pro team invite link, where I had shared team invitation link for you for absolutely free. With the help of this invitation link, you will get all the premium features of Canva on your Gmail for absolutely free. Now choose a logo. You can crop and make it perfect. Click on this done. You can see here our logo has been updated. If you want to change this image, then just simply click here and upload your banner image. Similarly, you can make your banner image from Canva. You can use that free Canva account. You can see here is some text about your store. You can change this article according to your store. For this, you can use ChatGPT or any other AI to write content or article for your store. Now scroll this. This homepage is already being perfect for us. Now just save this. Now click on this preview and click on this public and click on save. If you want full customization video on this website, then don't forget to leave a comment on this video. I will make a full customization video of this website. I hope you love this video and learn how you can create a free website for your online store. You don't need to pay for theme builder, web hosting, domain name or any other stuffs. Simply you just have to make a logo and upload it here. Then you can get all the customization options here and you can publish your online store. If you love this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and also don't forget to check this others video. At the end, if you did not subscribe this channel Billionaires Visions till now, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.